Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. As risk sentiment is looking quite positive, equity markets are higher, dollar index is lower. और कल major event was the ECB's policy meeting, और उसमें ECB hiked rates by 75 basis points. They sounded quite hawkish and they indicated that further hikes would be needed. But the pace of the hikes is still undecided, but they have said that it could be 75, it could be lower than that. Meeting ke baad, we saw a weakness in the euro dollar because the market was anticipating such a move. So possibly buy the rumor and sell the news kind of a thing. But there were also hawkish comments from the US Fed chief. All of that created an sort of a 1-2 hour window jahan pe dollar strengthened. But by the time the US session was over, dollar had weakened once again, the dollar index, kyunki euro dollar, pound dollar both rallied quite a bit. This can be seen as a more of a short covering move because the markets are oversold. Even the Chinese currency has strengthened. Jo 7 ke aaspaas tha almost, USD CNH is now trading close to 6.94. Indian rupee has been an outperformer in over the past many weeks. Kyunki lower oil prices, Brent below 90 is helping India a lot. तो एक तरफ lower oil prices है, दूसरी तरफ FPI flows. So because what happens when the oil prices fall, Indian rupee attracts a lot of carry trade bets as well. So that FPI flows and of course RBI's clear-cut indication that they will be intervening aggressively at higher levels. All of these have ensured that Indian rupee remains an outperformer. तो अभी जब dollar index has weakened, especially overnight, तो हो सकता है dollar rupee can fall a little more. Because the range is between now 79, 20, 25 on the down and 80, 80, 10 on the up spot levels में. तो 79, 20, 25 का टेस्ट करने का chances तो है. Whether it does it or not, that's another thing. But it has a possibility to go all the way down towards 79, 20, 25 to test the support levels. क्योंकि global environment is looking positive for a near-term rupee appreciation. But again, what we have seen with dollar rupee is that momentum is completely missing. So suddenly it stops falling and it forms a base. So that's something we have to keep in mind. Now, how to trade such a market? What we have been advocating over the past few sessions is that either you wait for the range extremes to go long or short, that is closer to 79.30 you can go long because stop loss is small, or closer to 80 you go short because your stop loss is small. And in between, what you can do is sell either a strangle or you can sell an iron fly. Now iron fly we prefer for a number of reasons. One, the premium deployed is lower. Second, it is a hedge strategy. So if there is a breakdown or a breakout from the range, you don't have to take an evasive action because ho sakta hai, and we have seen this number of times, that the breakdowns and breakouts are false, that is temporary on the market, after a couple of days comes back inside the range. Agar aapka straddle short hai, strangle short hai, to usme you have to take your stop and exit. But in case of iron fly, which is basically an iron fly trade, mein you short an ATM straddle and you buy a strangle. So it's a hedge trade. So in an iron fly, what happens, you can wait with the position because it has an inbuilt hedge with it. So these are the trades which can be done in the USD INR or cross currencies may, because there is a upward correction in the euro pound and also a bit in the yen. We can see an upside, near-term upside in Euro INR, GBP INR and Yen INR. These are more corrective up moves. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.